By the end of this video, you'll know all the insider tips no one tells you before you try minimalism and be inspired to embrace a more intentional way of living. Welcome to our exploration of modern minimalism, where we uncover the secrets that no one tells you before you embark on this transformative journey. In a world saturated with stimuli, modern minimalism beckons us to embrace a different way of being, a way that transcends the relentless pursuit of more, in favor of a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. It's not merely about decluttering our physical spaces, but about decluttering our minds, our schedules, and our lives. Freeing ourselves from the tyranny of excess and embracing a simpler, more intentional way of living. But why does minimalism hold such allure? Perhaps it's because, in our quest for meaning and fulfillment, we've come to realize that true abundance lies not in the accumulation of material possessions, but in the richness of our experiences, relationships, and inner contentment. As the influential author and poet Maya Angelou once said, "Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it." Embracing minimalism requires us to confront our attachments and let go of the things that no longer serve us, whether they be physical possessions, toxic relationships, or limiting beliefs. It's a journey of self-discovery and liberation, empowering us to reclaim our time, energy, and attention for the things that truly matter. So, what are some insider tips that no one tells you before you try minimalism? Let us explore. 1. Start small, think big. Minimalism is not an all-or-nothing endeavor. It's about taking small, deliberate steps towards simplifying your life. Begin by decluttering a single drawer or closet, and gradually expand from there. Remember, as the influential author and activist Helen Keller once said, "I am only one, but still, I am one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. And because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something that I can do." Each small step brings you closer to a life of greater clarity and purpose. 2. Focus on quality over quantity. In a culture that glorifies consumption, it's easy to fall into the trap of acquiring more and more things. However, true abundance lies not in the quantity of our possessions but in the quality of our experiences. Invest in items that bring you joy and add value to your life, and let go of the rest. As the legendary fashion designer Coco Chanel once said, "Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance." Let us apply this principle to our lives, focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest. 3. Embrace mindfulness. Minimalism is not just about decluttering our physical spaces. It's also about decluttering our minds. Cultivate a practice of mindfulness, bringing awareness to your thoughts, feelings, and actions. As the modern mindfulness teacher and author Thich Nhat Hanh reminds us, feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. By practicing mindfulness, we cultivate a deeper sense of presence and peace in our daily lives. Let us embrace this practice, allowing it to guide us on our journey towards greater clarity and contentment. 4. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Let go of the pressure to achieve some idealized version of minimalism. Instead, celebrate the progress you make along the way, no matter how small. As the trailblazing feminist and civil rights activist Gloria Steinem once said, "The truth will set you free, but first it will piss you off." Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs, knowing that each step forward brings you closer to the life you envision. Let us celebrate our progress, acknowledging our growth and resilience in the face of challenges. 5. Cultivate gratitude. In a culture of constant striving and comparison, it's easy to overlook the abundance that already surrounds us. Take time each day to cultivate gratitude for the blessings in your life, no matter how small. As the beloved children's book author and illustrator Dr. Seuss famously said, "Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory." By cultivating gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we already have, fostering a sense of contentment and abundance. Let us cultivate gratitude, allowing it to nourish our souls and illuminate the beauty of each moment. 6. Practice self-reflection. Minimalism invites us to examine not only our physical possessions, but also our values and priorities. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you and how you want to shape your life. As the ancient Greek philosopher Socrates famously said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." By engaging in self-reflection, we gain clarity and direction, guiding us towards a life of purpose and fulfillment. 7. Embrace imperfection. In our pursuit of minimalism, it's essential to let go of the desire for perfection. Life is messy, and embracing imperfection allows us to release the need for control and rigidity. As the acclaimed author and researcher Brené Brown reminds us, imperfections are not inadequacies. They are reminders that we're all in this together. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, allowing room for spontaneity, creativity, and growth. 8. Practice generosity. Minimalism is not just about decluttering our own lives, it's also about giving back to others. Cultivate a spirit of generosity by sharing your time, resources, and talents with those in need. As the humanitarian and Nobel Peace Prize laureate Mother Teresa once said, "It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving." By practicing generosity, we cultivate compassion and connection, enriching both our lives and the lives of others. And if you find value in this message, if it resonates with you on a deeper level, I invite you to subscribe to this channel to join our community of like-minded individuals committed to living a life of purpose and passion. Together, let us embark on this journey towards modern minimalism,